To view the register of your check in QuickBooks Online, you can follow a few simple steps using your computer or smartphone. First, log into your account on the QuickBooks website using your login credentials. If you're new to the platform, you can create an account by clicking Sign Up and providing the required personal information. Once you're logged in, open the banking icon on your account page, which will display various registers and transactions. Next, choose the account you want to view, such as your credit card or checking account, if you have multiple accounts. After selecting your account, you can view the details of the register, which will display transactions categorized for easy review. This allows you to confirm that all entries are accurate. By following these steps, you can easily view your check register in QuickBooks Online.